I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your Audi A6 C7. First, always ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake. Place wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground. If your Audi has air suspension, remember to activate the tire change mode through your MMI system. This prevents unexpected suspension adjustments while you work. Never trust just your jack. Always use robust jack stands for complete safety. Before you begin, gather your essential tools. You'll need a sturdy floor jack, preferably with a 2-ton capacity, along with at least 2 or ideally 4 3-ton jack stands. Crucially, acquire a specific jack pad adapter or puck designed for Audi models. This protects the vehicle's designated lifting points. Don't forget your wheel chocks for added security. If you plan to remove a wheel, slightly loosen its lug bolts while the car is still on the ground. Identifying the correct jacking points is vital to prevent damage. On your Audi A6 C7, look for small triangular marks or arrows on the side skirts near each wheel. Directly underneath these indicators, you'll find reinforced plastic pucks or inserts. These are the designated spots for lifting. Your specialized jack pad adapter will fit snugly into these points, ensuring a secure and stable lift. Never place your jack on any plastic underbody panels or suspension parts. With your tools ready, position the floor jack, fitted with its adapter, under one of the designated jacking points. Slowly pump the jack to raise that corner of the vehicle to your desired height. Once lifted, carefully slide a jack stand under the nearest designated jacking point. Gently lower the car until it rests securely on the jack stand. Repeat this process for any other wheels you need to lift, always ensuring the vehicle is fully supported by jack stands before working underneath.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.